ay slime bed. Intern graduation, advanced intern graduation at 2 p.m. Well, guess what? We're not graduating pa. Yung AI department. Yung web, cloud, data, and QA pa lang. Sasaling kit-kit lang kami din mamaya. Cancel DSM today. Let's go. Demo presentation bukas sa automation na ginawa namin with Jigs. So, yeah. It's currently 12:53 and I have to be there at 1:45. So, I don't know if I'll take kids dun. Maybe not. Most likely not. So, bye.